Smart Culture, Science.
In this lesson, we'll learn about the key differences between series and parallel circuits and how they work. A series circuit connects all components end to end, creating a single path for the current to flow. This means the current is the same at every point in the circuit. If the lamp burns out or the circuit is broken at any point, the current stops everywhere and none of the components will work. While series circuits are simple, they have limitations. Let's look at parallel circuits and see how they solve these problems. A parallel circuit splits the current into multiple branches, allowing components to operate independently. This means if one branch fails, the others will still work. If the lamp in one branch fails, the lamp in the other branch continues to work. Parallel circuits are more reliable because components can operate independently. This makes them ideal for homes, industries, and many practical applications. To summarize, series circuits have one path for current, so all components depend on one another. In parallel circuits, there are multiple paths, so each component operates independently. In conclusion, series circuits are simple but less reliable, while parallel circuits are versatile and widely used for their reliability and independence.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.